Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to change power button functions and how to enable power menu for the power button right here on the side of our phone. So first of all we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience. Next we need to scroll down to power button menu, and in here at the top we have the option to change what this button do. So by default we have digital assistant, but we can change it to the power menu right here if we want to. And when we choose whichever option we want, we can simply go back and the option has been changed without saving. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.